did Roblox binge Schlep? It's like the next day Roblox like yep you're banned. Because Roblox banned Schlep. I.e. Schlep is a good guy for catching predators. Roblox more like Schlep is a good boy. Schlep, why don't we sit and have a cup of tea, shall we? Paylee went too far. Because Paylee made fun of Schlep for Schlep being terminated off of Roblox. Schlep did nothing wrong to her. It's like Paylee is bullying him for being a good guy. This isn't right for Paylee. This is her. Let's see what Paylee says. But it gets even worse. Schlep said the no word. Here is the proof in 3, 2, 1. That's insane, but it is not real. He doesn't deserve that. Like, whoa, he didn't say that word. Pulls like and subscribe. There's a hacker on Roblox. It is Chuck Cheese Girl. This is her. Scary, right? Hey, Paylee, you should get a job. Because you are a grown-ass man. As you can see,
I want to say
he looks like James Charles on a Sunday night shopping for snacks.